If I gave you 5 free tools that could help you make your first $100 online this month, would you try one tonight? Cool. Here are 5 AI tools that will help you earn money in 2026, fast and beginner-friendly. Problem: making money online feels crowded and complicated. Solution: use AI to package simple services people already pay for. Content design, voice research automation. Tool 1, Perplexity Pro. Think of it as research plus draft mode. Research, draft mode, how to earn. Offer topic research and outlines to YouTubers, bloggers, small businesses. Steps: paste a niche. Ask for 10 content ideas with sources. Generate a 1,000-word draft. Generate a 10-point summary. Deliver as a clean Google Doc for $25-75 per piece. Starter move: pick a local business type like dentists. Draft 3 post ideas. Cold email 5 owners tonight. Tool 2, Canva Magic Studio. It designs social posts, logos, slide decks, printables fast. How to earn: sell Etsy printables, Instagram carousels, branded templates. Steps: use Magic Design to auto-generate a brand kit. Batch 20 templates. Export, list as a bundle. Starter move: make a real estate social pack of 30 posts. DM 10 agents with a 1-post free sample. Tool 3, Opus Clip. It turns long videos into viral-ready shorts with captions and highlights. How to earn: short-form repurposing for podcasters, coaches, local service businesses. Steps: upload a 30-minute video, export 10 clips, add brand colors, deliver weekly packages, charge $150-500 per month per client. Starter move: take a public podcast episode, clip 3 samples, send before and after to win a trial. Tool 4, 11 Labs. Studio-grade AI voiceovers in minutes. How to earn: voiceover gigs, audiobooks, course narration, multi-language content. Steps: pick a clear voice, upload script, tweak pacing, export, offer English plus Spanish for a premium. Starter move: list 60-second ad voiceover, 24-hour delivery on Fiverr or Upwork. Tool 5, Zapier AI. Automate boring business tasks and charge for the system. How to earn: lead capture to CRM, email follow-ups, appointment booking, invoice reminders. Steps: use AI to build an automation from plain text. Connect Google Sheets, connect Gmail, connect Calendly, connect Stripe. Price: $200 $1,000 setup, plus $50 $200 month maintenance. Starter move: offer set up your automated lead follow-up in 48 hours to 1 local business. Quick playbook: pick 1 niche, 1 tool, 1 offer, build a 2-sentence pitch, 1 sample, and a clear price. Reach out to 20 prospects. Repeat weekly. If this helped, comment tools and I'll drop a starter template pack. Subscribe for more 3-minute money tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching.